I greet you all in Jesus' mighty name. This afternoon I want to share with you the book of Matthew chapter 5 and verse 13. Jesus is speaking here. You are the salt of the earth, but if the salt loses its flavor, how shall it be seasoned? It is then good for nothing but to be thrown out and trampled underfoot by men. Mark chapter 9 verse 50, Jesus speaking here again. Salt is good, but if the salt loses its flavor, how will you season it? Have salt in yourselves and have peace with one another. My brother, my sister, Jesus has called us to be salt of this earth. We are supposed to bring flavor to this world, my brother, my sister. But if we have lost our flavor, how will it be seasoned again? How do we bring flavor back to this world, my brother, my sister? How do we bring flavor back to people? It means that it is useless and be thrown out and be trampled underfoot by men. My brother, my sister, you and I have been called to be salt to this earth. We are supposed to bring flavor to this earth. If we have lost our flavor, my brother, my sister, you and I, we have to go back to the Lord Jesus and ask Him to bring that flavor, that passion back into our lives, back into our hearts, the passion of preaching this gospel, the passion of praying for people, the passion of telling other people about the Lord Jesus Christ. Colossians chapter 4 and verse 6 says, let your speech always be with grace, seasoned with salt. My brother, my sister, even our speech, the way we speak, needs to be seasoned with salt, my brother and my sister. We cannot speak dead words, my brother, my sister, and false words to a dead world. We need to bring life and light to this world. That's why Jesus says to us that our speech always be with grace, seasoned with salt. It needs to be seasoned with salt. So my brother, my sister, in order for us to bring flavor to people's lives through the preaching of the gospel, our speech must be with salt, seasoned with salt. Oh, my brother, my sister, the question I want to ask you this afternoon is, have you lost your flavor? Have you lost that flavor of preaching this gospel, bringing flavor to people? Oh, my brother, my sister, we need to get back to the Lord Jesus Christ and ask Him to bring that flavor back into our lives and to our speech.